Seniors, regain leg power in 12 hours with this one food. The research might surprise you. What if I told you your legs weren't the problem, and that it might be something missing from your dinner plate that could be fixed as soon as tonight? Imagine waking up tomorrow with stronger, steadier legs. You step out of bed and, surprise, no wobble, no weakness, no more second-guessing the stairs. Sounds far-fetched, right? But stay with me, because in this video, we're diving into one simple food, yes, just one, that's been quietly helping seniors regain leg strength in 12 hours. You'll learn what this food is and why the research is compelling, the science behind how it works in your muscles, the signs your body is begging for it, and how to use it the right way so you don't miss the benefits. Oh, and there's a twist. This isn't some trendy superfood from the internet. It's been sitting on grocery store shelves for decades, often overlooked. Let's take a quick trip to Carol's kitchen. Carol is 68. She lives in a small town, still active, but lately she's noticed something. Her legs feel heavy. Getting out of a chair feels harder. She even started avoiding stairs after nearly stumbling. She wasn't eating differently, wasn't skipping walks, but her legs were changing. Then her friend mentioned something strange. Have you tried eating beets at night? Beets? Really? Carol laughed it off, but she was desperate enough to try. So she roasted some that night, ate them with her dinner, went to bed. The next morning, Carol noticed something subtle but encouraging. Her legs felt less heavy than usual. Getting up was a touch easier. No miracle, no magic. Just a hint of improvement. And science has a good explanation for it. So what exactly is in beets? Let's break it down. Beets are high in natural nitrates, which your body turns into nitric oxide. Sounds complicated, but here's what matters. Nitric oxide opens up your blood vessels, like turning on a garden hose instead of a dripping faucet. More blood flow equals more oxygen to your muscles, especially your legs, which are the farthest from your heart and need the most help. But here's what's wild. Studies show that this boost can happen in just a few hours. According to a study in the Journal of Gerontology, seniors who drank beetroot juice before walking had 21% improved muscle power, lower perceived effort, and better balance. Yes, all that from a food that most people ignore. And it's not just about circulation. Beets are also rich in potassium, which helps stop leg cramps, packed with antioxidants, which protect your muscles from aging, and full of natural sugars that give a stable and slow energy boost, no crash. So why haven't you heard this from your doctor? While exercise and joint health are crucial, many people, and sometimes even busy doctors focused on immediate concerns, miss this key nutritional factor for leg strength. When your legs start feeling weaker, the first assumption is usually, oh, it must be my age, or maybe I need more exercise, or time for another pain pill. And yes, muscles and joints absolutely play a role, but we're missing a major piece of the puzzle. What's flowing through your bloodstream matters just as much, sometimes even more. Think of it like this. Your muscles are like car engines. They're powerful, reliable, built to move. But no matter how strong an engine is, it can't run on empty. It needs fuel. It needs clean oil. It needs circulation. Now, imagine trying to drive uphill with gunky fuel and blocked pipes. That's what your muscles go through when your blood flow slows down. And that's exactly what happens as we age. After 60, your body starts producing less nitric oxide. That's the stuff that keeps your blood vessels relaxed and open, like turning on a garden hose instead of a dripping tap. Less nitric oxide equals tighter blood vessels, equals less oxygen and nutrients getting to your legs. So, when you stand up from a chair and your thighs feel like lead, when the stairs look taller than they used to, when your balance feels off or your legs cramp in the middle of the night, that's not just aging. That could be your muscles starving for support. And here's the frustrating part. Most diets for seniors don't fix this. Why? Because nitrate-rich foods, the kind that help your body make nitric oxide,
just aren't common in the typical breakfast, lunch, or dinner plate. Let's be honest. How often do we see beets on a sandwich, spinach at dinner instead of potatoes, arugula in the fridge next to the milk and eggs? Not very often. Most traditional senior meals, toast, tea, rice, chicken, are comforting and familiar, but they don't support blood flow or muscle oxygenation. That's like driving a car with no oil change for 10 years. It's not your fault. No one told us this part. But now that you know, you can do something different. And it doesn't take a full diet overhaul. Just one small shift, like adding a nitrate-rich food like beets at dinner, can help your body reopen the flow. Think of it like clearing traffic on the highway so your muscles get what they need when they need it. Because the problem isn't that your legs are giving out, it's that they've been running on low fuel. Let's fill the tank, starting tonight. The missing link might be on your plate. Here are signs your legs might be lacking nitric oxide support. You feel weak or heavy when standing up. You notice more nighttime leg cramps. Your walking speed is slower than it used to be. You feel dizzy after standing. Cold feet or poor circulation. Sound familiar? Now let's explore how to fix it, naturally and safely. Of course, always discuss persistent symptoms with your doctor to rule out other causes. Let's talk about how to eat beets the right way. You don't need to eat a mountain of beets, but you do need to prepare them in a way that preserves the nitrates. Best ways? Roasted with olive oil and a pinch of sea salt. Steamed preserves nutrients without frying. Beetroot juice, pure, with no added sugars. Timing matters too. The sweet spot? Dinner time. Why? Because blood pressure naturally rises at night. Beets help relax vessels. Muscles recover and rebuild while you sleep. That nitrate to nitric oxide conversion peaks in 6 hours, perfect for overnight muscle repair. And guess what? You don't need a huge serving. Half a cup to 1 cup of cooked beets is enough for most people. Tip: if you're on blood pressure meds, check with your doctor first. Beets can naturally lower pressure, and you don't want to overdo it. And yes, you might notice your urine looks reddish after eating beets. Totally harmless. It's called beeturia. And it affects about 10 to 14% of people. But what if I don't like beets? Great question. You're not stuck. There are other nitrate-rich foods you can rotate in. Arugula, super high in nitrates. Spinach, celery, lettuce. Pomegranate also boosts nitric oxide. And if you want to try beets but worry about the taste, try these tricks. Roast them with rosemary or thyme. Drizzle with balsamic glaze before serving. Add a sprinkle of goat's cheese or feta. Blend cooked beets into smoothies with berries. Still, beets offer a potent combination because of their unique mix of nitrates, antioxidants, and minerals, making them a standout choice. And when combined with light leg movement, even seated marching or walking after dinner, the effect is even stronger.
Real stories from seniors who tried it. Let's go back to Carol. After sticking with it for 2 weeks, Carol started noticing clearer differences. Fewer cramps at night, less stiffness getting out of bed, and more confidence on stairs. She didn't change anything else. Then there's Robert, 72. He started drinking a small glass of beetroot juice every night. After about a week, he noticed a shift. I woke up feeling noticeably more ready to move, like the constant dragging sensation in my legs had begun to ease. No, this isn't a cure-all. It's not a replacement for exercise or protein, but it's a surprisingly powerful foundation, especially when your legs feel like they've lost their spark. Individual results can differ, but many people like Carol and Robert experience noticeable support when they make this a consistent habit alongside other healthy choices. Let's get clear. This isn't hype. It's backed by science. Several peer-reviewed studies have shown muscle oxygenation improves after eating beets. Older adults have improved walking endurance. Balance and coordination improve with nitrate intake. In a 2019 study from the University of Exeter, older adults who consumed beetroot juice daily for 10 days had improved muscle contractility and lower fatigue. So yes, there's real evidence behind this tiny root, and it's one of the safest, simplest changes you can try. If you're finding this helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to Nitro Wellness. We share real, doable ways for women over 60 to stay strong, confident, and vibrant. No fluff. Your next step. If you've been waking up feeling sluggish, or avoiding stairs, or rubbing your legs after dinner, this might be your body whispering, "Help me out." Tonight, start by trying some roasted beets with your dinner. See how you feel tomorrow, and consider making it a regular habit for ongoing support. Keep the serving small and simple. Pair it with protein, like eggs or chicken. Take a short walk after dinner if you can. Then, just see how your legs feel tomorrow. Because sometimes it's not a giant overhaul we need. Sometimes it's just a little root vegetable with a big effect. One last thing. Supporting your legs is crucial, but overall vitality involves more. If you're also thinking about joint comfort or skin health as you age, don't miss our next video exploring collagen-rich fruits. What happens when seniors eat these 8 collagen-rich fruits every day? It's packed with info you won't hear anywhere else. Watch that next. You'll thank yourself later.